Oh, buddy. Sir, this is the house of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. There is no evidence.
No evidence support that, yes. There is no evidence support that. There is another sign like this one. This one saying like for in general, don't come here and pray because this is not from. Don't film me. Don't film me. Don't film me. You can see there. Worship giving the lack of evidence to support that. See? There is another sign here that gives more information that tells it's not Prophet Muhammad's house.
But most of people say that this was the house of Holy Prophet, peace upon him.
Give me one clue. This is Prophet Muhammad's house. There is not even one clue. First thing you can see here is made from cement.
Some people say that two windows that was
Also,
far away.
it's not right.
That was the
It's not right.
not right.
It's not right. Oh, that's not right.
Yes.
Oh, that's not right. They say this is Abu Jahl house.
Yes.
This is not Abu Jahl house. This is a modern house. A modern.
Modern.
Very modern. It's only 70 years old. As you can see there, the dates. 1570 Hijri.
Yes.
1570 Hijri. So now we are 1044 Hijri. 45 Hijri. Only now 71 years old. It's a modern house. The one who built this house is King Abdulaziz, Saudi king. Don't film me.
Okay.
And what else? The Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, he born in this area. It's true. From Marwa, Jabal Abu Qubais here, all this Bani Hashim land.
Yes.
All this Bani Hashim land. So the Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, he born somewhere here.
Maybe here or not.
Here, there.
Here.
No one knows.
Yes.
No one knows. All Bani Hashim, the tribe of the Prophet, used to live in this place.
Yes.
Not the only the Prophet. Only by himself.
What was the name of that mountain? Abu Qubais, where Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, called his family to embrace Islam. That was the mountain.
He stayed here for 3 years. And Quraysh, leaders of Quraysh, they are not unbeliever. They not speaking. They stopped speaking to him, talk to him, even like food. So he stayed here for 3 years. No one like talked to them, or deal with them, or get married from them. I mean, from the Muslims.
Yes.
They stopped talking to the Prophet and his friends. So in that year, Abu Talib, he died, his uncle, and his wife Khadija. In that year, because in Arabic, the English version, which is the sad year.
Demise year.
The sad year.
Yes.
Yeah? We'll show you the sign so you can understand. And it used to be for public, for everyone.
Yes.
But people, because they think this Prophet Muhammad, so they come to this house and pray and do like this and right. This is not Islam. We do that only Kaaba.
Yeah.
Even the grave Muhammad, peace upon him, in Medina, we don't do that. This is not good. Some of them like come here to this direction of Allahu Akbar, pray, do sujood. This is shirk. They don't. I'm not saying they don't follow this. I'm not saying I blame them, but some of them they don't have enough knowledge in Islam.
They do that in ignorance.
And that's not good. That's why it's not.
They have no knowledge.
They have no knowledge. So we go easy on them. So because we don't want them like to do something bad. So
I think most of the places were prohibited for their deeds.
You can read the sign here. This is the sign. Read it.
Yes.
Read it. الأخ المسلم لم يقم دليل على صحة مكان مولده صلى الله عليه وسلم. اعتبرت بهذا المكان المزنوق وخصوصا بالصلاة والدعاء لا يجوز شرعا.